Hello everyone. Today I'm taking this video just want to show you my idea, another idea to make the backyard decoration. And this idea just a little change compared with the old tutorial, just very little change. The difference is using the way of using the fabric. Okay, let's go. Okay, now first of all, our fabric. Our fabric is about 1.5 meter wide. Okay, so it's wider what I need. But since this fabric is a little thin, a little transparent, so I will fold it. From this end to this end, I will fold it. Like this. And then put it on the stand. Okay, so I hang the fabric. I fold the fabric and hang it on the stand. Like this. And then the fabric I put on the middle of the stand. And then do like this. Smaller, to make the white smaller. Okay, and then put the clip. To fix the fabric. And then just make the ruffle like this. From here to here. Oh, 1 second. Okay, again, take the fabric from here. Since I'm holding the camera, and then to here. Like this. The camera in front of me. Okay. And then put the other fabric. Around it. Put the other fabric go through the tube. And then adjust the shape. Like this. It's very simple. Because the camera is not taut enough, so I put the camera on the chair, but seems it's not stable. Put the fabric around here and adjust the ruffle like this. Very simple. Okay. Oh, my hand not long enough. Add another clip here. Okay. So, and then I will adjust the ruffle. Just adjust the ruffle by adjust the fabric on here will be okay. So adjust like this. Not difficult. I know there are a lot of fabric you can use to make the backdrop like this, but on my opinion, as per my experience, using this fabric will be the best choice to make the ruffle because it's soft, smooth, and very easy to make the ruffle. Okay, I will show you the effect. Okay, so this is the effect of the ruffle, the wave I make for one side. It's maybe not perfect. I adjust it by moving this side and this side so I can get the ruffle, the wave like this. Okay, so I will make the other side. Okay, complete with the left side. I know it's not perfect, but no problem. The effect will be good. Okay, go on. Okay, so we need to remove the clamp and use the clamp like this. Oh. Okay. Very easy, just put it. There, this. Okay. So it can fix the, like this. It can help you to make the fabric firm on the tube. We have different size. My experience, if you want to clamp it with the fabric, you need to make the size larger than your tube size. For example, this tube is 2.2 cm, so I use the clamp with the size of 2.5. The effect will be, it can help you much more easy to put it on. Okay, I will make the other clip. Okay, completed. If you our clip color only have white and black color. If your backdrop by using different colors of fabric, and you don't need to the clamp look obviously, you can turn it like this. Turn it like this, so it will be not much obvious, or you can cut a small piece of the fabric and group it on the cap. This is the other way to cover the cap color. But anyway, since I'm using the white color, it's not so obviously. Okay, like this. I still keep the two clips iron clip on two sides because it's not obviously. Okay, then I will tie the leaf Y on the top of the stand. If you want to know how to make the leaf Y, check my old video. Please find the link on the information field below this video. I don't repeat the tutorial. Just check the old video will be okay. I'll show you the effect. Okay, this is the effect after I tie the flower Y, the leaf Y. Since our flower support Y, there's iron wire inside, so it can well support the leaf and the flower, and also it can bend to make the wave like this, so can bend to make the shape. Okay, and about this fabric, I will use the clip and keep it on the pole will be okay, on the tube will be okay. I will show you the effect. Keep it. Okay, now this is the effect after I arrange the fabric. In fact, you add another leaf Y on this side will be better. Because I didn't add the other Y because I don't have enough leaves to make for this size. In fact, using one more leaf Y, the effect will be much more pretty. Okay, then I will add some bubble here. Okay, this is the effect after I hang up some bubble with B-chain. For your reference, we surprise all material, almost all using on our video. The bubble, the chain, the leaf, the support Y, the orchid flower Y, everything, include the fabric, exclude the iron stand. If you are interested, you can send me a message for a code, or you can find the product list with price by link to my blog. You can find the link on the information field below this video. Send me a message why Facebook page will be okay. Okay, let's check it. Again, the effect by adding one leaf Y, apply the leaf Y on this side, the effect will be much more better. I didn't place the leaf Y, another leaf Y here because I don't have enough leaf on hand, and I think you can make it much more better. Okay, about how to link the bubble. It's simple. Put the hook between the B chain and the bubble, and use another bubble to hang it on our Y. Flower support Y will be okay, but please note that make sure the flower support Y will tie on the stand very firmly. Okay, tie it. And since we are using the clip, this clip on this fill, and since they already have the fabric on this fill, so I use this iron clip to fix the Y here. instead of string line, because they already have the fabric, so we can tie on the tie here. So I use this iron clip. You can try every method to make sure the flower support wire will firmly tie on the stem will be okay. Now for this view, I tie the flower support wire with the string. And about the bubble, put some LED candle here. The effect will be much more better. Okay. Okay, now let's check the effect in detail. If you don't want to if you want to cover this bubble, it's okay. Just make the ruffle to cover all the stand. Using this clip will be okay. This is another method to make it, but the procedure are almost the same. You can try it. Okay, check the detail. The effects are really pretty. If you want to make it much more fuller, you can make tie another leaf wire together with this one will be okay, or add more flower or add more leaf in one wire. That will be okay. You can try the effect. Okay, so this is today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.